Hi my Brit babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I apply my UNICE hair glueless wig in under 10 minutes. And I'm definitely feeling this red color that I applied to the wig, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Loves, welcome back to my channel. Super excited today. This wig that I got from UNICE, I decided to dye it red using Kiss Colors Red Storm mixed with Adore Sienna Brown to get this beautiful red color. And also I will be showing you guys how I install my glueless wigs without any glue, spray, or gel. It's super easy, so stay tuned.
You feel like the CEO.